Hello guys, in today's video I'm about to show you two powerful platforms that are great alternatives to Grok AI. The best part, they offer free video generation and you don't need to pay anything. The second platform is even more interesting because it gives you advanced settings, including the ability to extend video duration. Plus, you can generate multiple videos without worrying about limits. Another important thing is that there is no visible credit system, and as of now, these platforms don't seem to have strict limits on video generation. So let's get started. First, we have Qwen AI. This is a Chinese AI platform. Let's open it up. Once you're on the site, you'll see an option called Ask Qwen. You can download the app if you want, but for now, just click on Try Qwen Chat. After that, the interface will open like this. You can sign up or log in easily using your Gmail account by clicking Log in with Google. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. From here, you can create both images and videos. If you look closely, there's no visible credit system. Click on the plus icon and you'll see options for image and video creation. Let's try video generation first. From here, you can upload a file from your device. For example, select an image and use it to generate a video. You can also create text to video content. You can easily change the aspect ratio as well. Like I mentioned earlier, there's no visible limit right now, so you can use it freely. If you ever hit a limit, you can try using temporary email services to create additional accounts. After a short time, your video will be generated. Check out the quality. Even if your original image isn't very detailed, the platform enhances it. One interesting feature is that it automatically adds sound effects. You can also make characters speak by including dialogue in your prompt. The generated video is about 5 seconds long. Now let's move to the second platform, which allows longer video duration. The second platform is Meta AI. Just open the Meta AI website and sign in using your Meta account or any Gmail account. Once you're logged in, click on Create Video. Upload a sample image and add your animation prompt. For example, let the dog eat the food while the camera zooms in. Click Animate and wait for the result. The quality may not be perfect, but it's decent. Here's the key feature. You'll see an Extend option. This allows you to extend the video duration up to 8 seconds. You can also use multiple accounts to generate more videos. Just like the first platform, there's currently no visible credit limit, so you can keep creating videos. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, please like the video and hit the subscribe button for more updates. Thank you for watching.